Hello guys, I'm Arvind, trading expert back again. Let's talk about in trading, why people are losing money. Is that so? Trading is very easy? Yes, because of trading is very easy, the people are losing money. Now, before entering to the knowledge, let's talk about why people are losing money. Some people know the knowledge, some people don't know the knowledge, but still, traders are losing money. Why? Why? It's all about simple mindset. Why I say mindset? You know the stop loss, you know the target, but still you cannot able to sit until the target reaches or stop loss triggers. See, stop loss is like a bus stop. Before you travel anywhere, what do you see first? You see the travel cost, ticket cost, and then how much money you have in the pocket, and then decide the travel. You just need to take the ticket, relax, sleep in the bus till the destination reaches. That's what you need to do here. But here, what happens? Lazy to keep target, lazy to keep stop loss, lazy to sit until the target reaches. Minute to minute, second to second, tension until the target reaches. So I told, yes, trading is very easy. In simple things we fail. Trading is a pleasure, not a pressure. In other category, what happens? First of all, not bother to take up the trading knowledge. How to recognize the uptrend, downtrend, how to recognize the right target, how to recognize the right technical stop loss. Guys, let's accept this, how most people are losing money. Guys, there is lot more topic to understand, which you never get this much of best trading knowledge in your fingertips. Take up a challenge. Even a child can earn rupees 10,000 to 30,000 rupees assured daily profit with our training and the world's #1 best software. Software is nothing but like a calculator. We know the multiplication, but still we need a calculator for the second confirmation. So as the right software and the right guru is most essential for each trader. Then travel all your trading journey with our support and pleasure for you. Thanking you, please, I request you to like and subscribe and keep watching till the end. Wait for more interesting different topics. The most important is to feel free to talk to us. Join the Telegram channel, specify the link below. The next topic is all about what is trading platform, what is low margin trading account, what is high margin registered trading account, which is safe, which is not safe, everything we will just tell you, explain you in the next video.